My name's Holland, and I've worked for Steve Brown Apartments for 7 years.
My name's Alyssa, and I've worked here since 2003.
I've worked for Steve Brown Apartments for 6.5, almost 7 years now, which I just remembered as part of this interview and was kind of one of those like moments.
What makes me more excited to come every day to work is the next challenge. What's going to be next?
Especially in property management, there are things that happen every day that make it, not the same as the last day. You never know what's going to come into work.
And one thing that I really enjoy is figuring out how to overcome those challenges with my team.
What stands out about our culture is that we're not just colleagues, we're friends.
We kind of have fun. We try to get fun. That's how it should be work,
I would say the Steve Brown way is going above and beyond the expectations set by our residents.
The Steve Brown way is about treating people right, whether that's our customers or each other. That's the #1 priority.
One of my favorite parts about Steve Brown Apartments is SBA Gives, because it sort of is a multi-tiered approach to local charity. And the fact that we are involved in local charities making this community better, I think that means everything. I think that really demonstrates our commitment to this community.
Steve Brown Apartments is really passionate about providing growth opportunities, either personally but also professionally.
After 3 months in the job, the facilities manager offered me the position of lead technician.
If you work hard and you genuinely care about what you're doing every day, your hard work will be rewarded. We're constantly growing and looking for those opportunities to be in the best locations and have the best employees to help us build our legacy. We are continuously growing, and every day is truly different, and that's what's exciting about working at Steve Brown Apartments.